Morning, good morning, good morning. So we're just starting a little teardown on the G35 today. Just gonna kind of take the hood off for now, start working on pulling out the air box, simple stuff like that, get rid of that. Ultimate goal, the next couple days I want to get down to tearing out the radiator core support, basically everything off the front. Want to get the headlights out, all the plastics inside here, just kind of get rid of all that and start working on what I need to do to actually start tearing the engine and tranny out of the car. So I'm not going to bore you guys too much with talking. I think I'm going to just do quite a bit of time lapse here and just kind of let you guys come along for the journey here. Kind of kick it off from that. Alright guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and call it there for the day. Made a little bit of headway. Got the headlights out, bumper off. I got the crash bar out, hood off obviously, and then remove the intake. Starting to free up a bit of space in here. Ultimately, I do want to get by this weekend, it is Sunday right now, so following weekend, I believe Friday, I got my motor mounts and oil pan coming from LOJ. I did order the accessory drive to maintain the factory power steering and AC. So AC pump here, and then corrected, power steering pump here, AC pump down here. So that has not shipped yet. I'm hoping that it'll ship Monday or something. I ordered them all together, it just didn't ship with the motor mounts and with the oil pan. So hopefully I'll hear from Steve from LOJ, or he'll get them shipped out. So ultimately hopefully this upcoming weekend I can have all of this out, the engine and the transmission, and then I can at least get the 5.3 in here, get it mocked up with the oil pan and the accessory drive, so that I can see where or how I'm going to route the hot side for the turbo. My ultimate goal is I want to relocate the power steering here. I'm going to pull out this entire shroud, and I think I'm going to try to do myself or have made a tubular bar that'll bring this out a little bit further, and then I can mount. I'm gonna have to get a new radiator anyways. I don't have to, but I want to get like a 3/4 one, so that I can mount the turbo right up in here and still have a good enough radiator. And then all this up front obviously is going to come out, so that I can mount the intercooler, and we'll try to retain what we can of it, but we'll just kind of have to play by ear and see how things go. So I appreciate everyone watching, enjoying the journey with me, and you know, if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. This all helps for me to carry on with projects like this. I know this is my first one with YouTube, but I do want to make more. Ultimate goal is I would like to build these up, drive them for a little while, and then do giveaways on them. So hopefully it works out that way. The one thing I am looking at doing is doing a giveaway. I got a couple ideas, but I'm looking to do one, you know, to help me reach the 1,000 subscribers, and then I'll do a giveaway, and then probably like 5,000, 10,000, so on and so forth. So something for everyone to look forward to. Definitely going to be really good giveaways too. Right now I'm kind of debating on doing like one of the new Terminator X, Holley Terminator X ECUs and wiring harnesses for the 1,000. So you guys let me know in the comments if you guys think that's a great idea. You know, hopefully you can share this video with your friends, and definitely get the word out that we're going to be doing some badass giveaways. So once again, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.